Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is World Environment Day. Every year, 5th June is celebrated as the World Environment Day to raise awareness and promote action to protect the environment. It began with the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment in Stockholm, Sweden on 5th June 1972. It was the first world conference to make the environment a major issue. To mark this event, the first World Environment Day was celebrated a year later in 1973. Since then, led by the United Nations Environment Programme, that is UNEP, it is being held annually. World Environment Day is the largest global platform for environmental outreach, with millions of people from across the world engaging to protect the planet. It focuses on raising awareness, encouraging action, addressing global environmental issues, and promoting sustainability. This year, it will be hosted by the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia with a focus on land restoration, desertification, and drought resilience. The event will explore solutions such as circular water resource use, sustainable food production, and drought-resilient urban development. Let's know more about UNEP. The UNEP is a leading global environmental authority established on 5th June 1972. It sets the global environmental agenda, promotes sustainable development within the United Nations system, and serves as an authoritative advocate for global environment protection. It is headquartered in Nairobi, Kenya. Now it's the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which organization releases the Emissions Gap Report? IUCN, UNEP, WWF, or Greenpeace? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.